innovations that have come through, and these continue to be consistent throughout doing research in the UK context, or I should say England. And we should prioritise the school meal as a site for supporting public health concerns, but also invest in the health and well-being of future citizens. And we've seen examples of that through the introduction of the watershed, so the banning of fast food advertisements. Through the school leadership, because I've met some very inspirational head teachers who are very enthusiastic about food, and it's really got to come from the school ethos. So establishing a new way of looking at school meals, in terms of from growing to cooking the food together, to consuming and trying different foods. I'm really interested in that space, the school farms. That's another project I've been involved in, which I'll mention shortly. And these are through which opportunities for shaping culinary capital can be developed. And this the research, in terms of engagement, is of interest to those from multiple fields, as I mentioned there, but also teacher education. I've been tapping into teacher education programs, speaking to the design and technology and food technology staff to understand what is being taught on the curriculum and how those teachers are being trained to think about food. I'm really interested to get into